Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I have an HP switch. This is a 5900 series. Let me show you the equipment if you are not familiar with the unit. And in this one right here. So I checking the error message right here. Let me show you how to fix that. So basically you need to go to system view, and then you can type display FEMs. Look at that. And right here you can see, you can confirm the state if FEM direction fault. So let me show you how you can change that. So prefer FEM is FEM prefer airflow directions. Right now we have port power to port, so we need to slot 0, slot 1, port to power, port to power, enter. And that will fix the issue, of the message, because the problem is if you don't change that, the switch will be overheating. That's the issue, that's the problem. So now you can come back and display fans, and now is normal. So look at that. If you can hear that the noise of the switch is totally normal now. And then you can execute just a few command more. Display device manufacturer info, device manufacturer info. You can get that more information about that. Display system, I guess. Display powers and display fans. And this is how do you fix the issue on this particular model. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.